Hello student, welcome back. In today we will discuss about missing number. I hope that you would be enjoying in previous videos. We had already discussed in previous videos about missing number. I hope that you really appreciated to my work and please give me your valuable suggestions that would be improve in my teaching skills, and please join us in our channel. So let's we move on today's lecture. So find the missing number, choose the appropriate answer. So this is the first questions, 7 5 questions mark and 12. So first we will find out which logic is used behind those pigs. When we find out, then we will solve this trick, right? So we compare these two values, that is 7 and 12, right? Suppose if I add 3 with 4, then we will get 7. So similar, when we multiply 3 with 4, then we will get 12. सो आई थिंक मुझे एक क्लियर हुआ होगा आप सभी को कि यहाँ पे 7 है, यहाँ पे 12 है. ये 7 कैसे आया होगा, हाउ 7 इज डिराइव्ड एंड हाउ 12 इज डिराइव्ड फ्रॉम द सेम नंबर, विच टू नंबर्स, दैट इज 3 and 4. तो ऐसे दो नंबर को चूज करना है जिसका एडिशन 7 आए और जिसका मल्टीप्लीकेशन 12 आए. दैट इज द लॉजिक. सो यहाँ पे आएगा आपका 5, यहाँ पे आपका क्वेश्चन मार्क. सो 5 अगर डिराइव करना है, सपोज वी हैव टू डिराइव 5 फ्रॉम टू values, that is 3 and 2. So 3 plus 2, that is 5, and similar, so 3 multiple with 2, then we will get answer, that is 6. So option D is the correct answer. I hope that this is the clear to everyone student. So यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज हुआ है, find out those two numbers when we will add and when we multiple with each other, right? So let's we move on next questions. So this is the second example, 9 7 questions marks 18. So first we link these two numbers, that is 9 and 18. So this is always similar to previous problems. Find out two numbers when we will add and when we will multiple to each other. So 9 कैसे डिराइव हो सकता है, तो 9 को हम करने के लिए हमारे पास 5 4 6 3 7 2, यानी बहुत सारे पॉसिबल हमारे पास ऑप्शंस हैं, राइट? अब यहाँ पे कितना बोला है कि यदि मैं 5 + 4 करता हूँ तो उसका तो +9 मिल जाएगा, बट 18 कौन सा हो जाएगा, 5 4 ज़ा 18 नॉट पॉसिबल, 6 3 ज़ा बिल्कुल पॉसिबल है, 7 2 ज़ा दैट्स पॉसिबल, 5 plus 4 that is 9, 5 into 4 20 not possible, 6 plus 3 that is 9, and 6 multiple with 3 that is 18. So 6 plus 3 are those number when we will add, that is 9, and when we will multiple, that is 18. So similar here 7 and find out the question. So 7, that is a 3 and 4, right? So 3 plus 4, that is, so 7, 3 plus 4, that is 7, and 3 into 4, then we will get answer, that is 12. So option B is the correct answer, right? I hope that this is clear to everyone student. Find out two numbers, that is the first number, find out two numbers which when we will add and when we will multiply, then we will get answer. So that is the concept behind those pigs. So let's we move on next example. So example number third, find the missing number 4 9 16 and questions mark. So first I will write here. So we already seen in this pigs 4 is cross or 4 and 16 are opposite each other. So 4 and 16. What is the basic difference of 4 as it is and 16? When we square of those number, then we will get 16. So similar, that is 9. Here what is the question mark? So 9 as it is here, 9 square, then we will get 81. So सिंपल यहाँ पे बेसिक सा कॉन्सेप्ट यूज किया गया है. क्रॉस में देखा कि 4 एज इट इज है तो 4 का स्क्वायर 16 बना दिया. यहाँ पे 9 है तो 9 को अगर क्रॉस करेंगे तो 9 का क्या हो जाएगा, 81 हो जाएगा. हाउ, कैसे? सो 9 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 81. 4 का स्क्वायर 16 तो 9 का स्क्वायर 81. दैट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस पिक्स. आई थिंक ये भी क्लियर हुआ होगा. सो लेट्स मूव ऑन नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल. So example number 4, find the missing number and choose the appropriate answer. So such diagrams we always be noted that is a cross sign, 6 9 and 9 opposite. So I write here that is just 6 and 42, right. अब यहाँ पे मैंने लिखा 6 and 9 42. So अगर मैं देखो ये 6 and 42 को जर्नी कैसी है, how 42 is derived from 6. So 6 as it is, 6 square that is 36. When we will add 6, then we will get 42. I think this is clear to everyone. Square of is 6 and add with those number. 6 का स्क्वायर करो और उसी नंबर को यहाँ पे ऐड करो तो आपको 42 मिल जाएगा. अब यहाँ पे पूछा गया है 9 और यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आएगा. तो सबसे पहले हम करेंगे 9 का स्क्वायर दैट इज 81 प्लस 9. सो 81 प्लस 9 दैट इज 90. सो यहाँ पे कौन सा ऑप्शन सही होगा, दैट इज 90. ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट आंसर. आई होप ये भी बहुत, यानी दिस सच कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर यूज बिहाइंड दोज पिक्स और दोज फिगर. So this is example number 5. Find the missing numbers. So 12 and 156. अभी तो आपको पता चल ही चुका होगा. You know about which trick is used, and we always choose opposite two numbers. We choose always opposite two numbers. Which two numbers? That is 12 and that is 156. So 156 कैसे आया होगा, how 156 is derived from 12. So यदि मैं 12 का स्क्वायर करूँ, so 12 का स्क्वायर करूँ तो कितना आएगा, 144, right. So 12 का स्क्वायर 144. when we add 12, then we will get 156, right. So यहाँ पे जो नंबर दिया गया है, who number is given, that's square of firstly, then we add those numbers with square of those, that is 156. So that next number would be that is 21. So 21 square, so 21 square and add with 21. So 21 square that is 441 and add 21. So that is 462. So option C is the correct answer. 12 is 12, 156. So 21, 462. I think this is clear to everyone. So today I discuss all possibilities behind those pics. That's why when you will solve in your exam, that times you never face any challenges, and such type of questions are asking in SSC, GD, railway, SSC, police, army, such like example, such like post. So we move on next questions. So example number 6, यहाँ पे देखते हैं कि find the missing number. We always choose opposite pairs. Remember that student, we always choose opposite pair. So which pair? That is 14 and 182. If you know square of 14, that is 196, right? Square of 14, that is 196, and we have the value that is 182. So 196 and 182, that is the difference between 14. When we will subtract 14 from 196, then we will get 182. So यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, जो नंबर दिया गया है, who number is given, first we will take square, then subtract from those number, that is 14. So next number would be 19. So 19 square minus 19, 19 square, that is 361, minus 19. So when that is, we will get 342. That's the right answer, and option C is the correct. I think this is clear to everyone. बहुत ही easy concept है, और ऐसे concept exam में पूछे जा रहे हैं. So don't worry about student. I will explain one by one in a videos. So example number 6, 18, 24, 333, and find the missing number. So we choose always opposite numbers, that is 18 and 333. So first we find out how 333 is derived from 18. So first we will take 18 square, that is 361, that is 324, right? Square of 18 is equal to 324, and here plus 3, plus 3 means यहाँ पे क्या आना चाहिए, that is 9, right? 324 plus 9, then we will get 333. So ये 9 कब आया होगा, that is 18/2, है ना? जब 18/2 करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 9 आएगा. So 9, ये 9 कैसे आया? First just think about how will become a 9 in this sequence. When we divide by a given number by 2, then would become 9, right? So 24. So first we will take square of 24 is equal to 576. So square of 24 is equal to 576. Then 24 divided by 2. So 576 plus 12. Then we will get 588. So option D is the correct answer. अब आप सोच रहे होगे, you are thinking about which logic is used in a particular figure or particular example. So I would like to suggest you, please keep practice more and more, then you will easily crack any questions. That's the best way. Otherwise you have not any options. Just keep practice more and more problem, then you will easily crack of any questions. So example number 7, we always choose opposite pair, so that is the 34 and 1139. So I will write here 34 and 1139. So first I will take square of 34, that is 1156, right? And 1139, 1156. So first I will subtract those numbers, then I will get that is 17, right? अब आप सोच रहे होगे कि 17 कैसे आया होगा, है ना? अब ये 17 क्यों यहाँ पे सब्सट्रैक्ट हुआ, तो यहाँ पे इन्होंने लॉजिक यूज किया गया है. 34 डिवाइड बाई 2 करोगे तो 17 आएगा. दैट्स मीन जो गिवन वैल्यू है उसे 2 से डिवाइड करो और उसको सब्सट्रैक्ट करो, सच एज 16. So 16 square minus 16/2, that's a concept. So 16 square, that is a 256 minus 8, and we will get 248, right? So option C is the correct answer. सो आपको ये समझना भी पड़ेगा कि किस में प्लस हुआ है, किस में माइनस हुआ है, किस में सब्सट्रैक्ट कितने नंबर्स का हुआ है, ये आपको थिंक करना पड़ेगा। कोई ऑप्शंस नहीं है स्टूडेंट्स, बिकॉज competitions is tough and tougher in our future. So example number 8, and find the missing number. This is very interesting questions, because you pause the video and just think about when you will get a proper logic, then play a video. Otherwise, focus on here are a different concepts. So which concepts? So we always choose opposite numbers. इतना तो याद हो गया होगा आपको, राइट, कि वी ऑलवेज चूज ए अपोजिट नंबर। सो 2 1, राइट, सो 2 1। अब यहाँ पे कौन सा लॉजिक यूज किया गया है? सो 2 + 1 इज इक्वल टू 3। 2 + 1 कितना होता है? 3 होता है। तो सिमिलर यहाँ पे भी 1 + 0 + 2 इज इक्वल टू 3। तो यहाँ पे अपोजिट में क्या किया गया है कि इंडिविजुअल नंबर्स को ऐड किया गया है। इन ए अपोजिट नंबर्स वी add individuals numbers, then we will get that is 3 3. So similar here 41, and find out the whole number. So 4 plus 1, सो 4 + 1 5। सो यहाँ पे भी हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा कि 5 लाना पड़ेगा। सो ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट देखते हैं, 3 + 2 5 + 6। तो यहाँ पे 6 आएगा, सो इलिमिनेटेड। 2 + 2 डेट इज ये 4 आएगा, ये भी इलिमिनेटेड। 1 + 3 डेट इज ये 6 आएगा, ये भी इलिमिनेटेड। 3 + 2 डेट इज 5। तो यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर हम चूज करेंगे? 303। वाई 3 + 0 + 2, सो we will get 5 here, 5 here, 5. That's why option B is the correct answer, and all options are eliminated. So है ना ये कमाल की ट्रिक और कमाल का कॉन्सेप्ट। सो सच कॉन्सेप्ट आर यूज इन करंट पैटर्न सिनेरियो क्वेश्चंस। सो you stick a star in your copy. So we will move on next example. So example number 9, 45 42 89 and questions mark. We always choose opposite number, that is 45 and 89. So I will write here 45 and I will write here that is 89. So here are also a good trick. So here we will take difference between those two numbers. So difference between those two numbers, that is 1. Difference between those two number, that is 1. So here 9 8, difference between those two numbers, that is 1, right. So here 42, and find out a number whose difference, so 4 and 2। so यहाँ पे 4 and 2 में difference कितने का है? We will take difference from those two numbers, that is 2। so यहाँ पे भी जो नंबर आएंगे उसका भी difference कितना होना चाहिए? 2 होना चाहिए। इनका डिफरेंस देखा जाए तो इनका डिफरेंस आता है 4। सो एलिमिनेटेड। 8 - 4 करेंगे तो यहाँ पे 4 एलिमिनेटेड। 7 - 4 करोगे तो यहाँ पे भी एलिमिनेटेड। सो 6 - 4 करोगे 2 मिलेगा। सो दैट्स वाई ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर। So I will write 64 here, 6 and 4, difference between those two numbers, that is 2. So that's why option C is the correct answer. So यहाँ पे इतनी सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट के कॉन्सेप्ट भी एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है स्टूडेंट। So we will move on next example. So this is the last questions of today's lectures, and these questions is also interesting. Why? Look, you see, one I choose opposite number, that is 131, and right side पे 434. So which logic is used? So 131, when we will add individual numbers, that is 1 + 3 + 1, that is 5, right. And here 4 + 3 + 4, that is 11, right. So यहाँ पे 5 आया, यहाँ पे 11 आया, right. सो 5 इज अ प्राइम नंबर, 11 इज अ प्राइम नंबर। सो 5 के बाद 7 प्राइम नंबर आता है, उसके बाद 11 आता है। सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट प्राइम नंबर एंड दैट इज अ थर्ड। सो मिसिंग दैट इज अ वन प्राइम नंबर, missing a one prime number, right? So here 74, so 7 plus 4 that is 11, तो यहाँ पे कितना आएगा 11। सो 11 के बाद एक प्राइम नंबर छोड़ के तीसरा प्राइम नंबर लेना है। सो 11 के बाद 13 आएगा, 13 के बाद 17 आएगा, कितना आएगा 17। तो हमें यानी वी चूज ए whole numbers when we will add individually numbers and that is 17, right? So 8 plus 5 13 plus 2 15, ये 15 मिलेगा तो हमें ये नहीं चाहिए। वाई नहीं चाहिए? बिकॉज हमें 17 चाहिए। 17 क्यों चाहिए? क्योंकि एक नंबर छोड़ कर चाहिए, वी स्कीप ए प्राइम नंबर। सो 7 प्लस 6 दैट इज 13 प्लस 4 दैट इज 17। तो यहाँ पे कौन सा नंबर आना चाहिए? दैट इज 7 6 4, 7 प्लस 6 प्लस 4 we will get 17। so that's why option B is the correct answer। otherwise 5 plus 6 that is 13, 13 is a prime number but not choose. Why? Because we skip a one prime number, so that's why we choose 17। so that is the 10 is not a prime number, so all options are eliminated। why eliminated? Because the first prime number and third is a prime number, we skip a second number, and such concepts are very very interesting for each exam patterns questions। so this is the last questions of today's lecture, so I hope that you would like such examples, and please give me a view about today's lectures, and if you have any video about any topic, please write in comment sections box। so we will meet on next videos with new enthusiasm with new topic। till then, take care student, bye bye, and best wishes, best wish for a new year, happy new year student, thank you, bye bye।